Hello, and welcome back to the Bat Cave. I'm Ragnvald, the Powerwork Builder, and this is as far as we've gotten so far. Um, through the we're through the first 12 bags of the 66 Batmobile, and we'll be continuing on with the next three bags of the 66 Batmobile. Make a little room here. So we'll continue on here with bag 13. Try to spread the parts out so I can at least see them. Lots of shiny flat pieces in this package. All right, there we go. That should be good. Okay, so we're going to start off by using some of these shiny bits on the back of the car here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the back and work my way forward. That way I can kind of have a base to work off of. Okay, so that goes there. And then let's see, we've got a ton of these little guys. Oh, there's my other piece I was looking for. Okay. So there's the first part of pack 13, the shiny little bits. And like, kind of get all marred up with your fingerprints. Okay, so now put this right there. Okay. So, just having a little bit of hard time seeing the orientation here. I'm just trying to. Okay, so that piece goes there. Then that goes there. And I need a small, this piece to go there. Okay. Then this goes there. And then I need this there. No, over one. There you go. Right there. And then that piece there. And then this piece here. There we go. Took just a little bit of looking to figure that one out. Okay. Okay, so then need that there. This here. And that there. And then this right there. Okay. So we got that. Okay, now we take this. Wait, not that one. Longer one. Put that there. One on the other side. And that. And that. And then okay. So there's what the back looks like so far after the first few stages of this pack. So now take out all triangles. Put our little triangles up here on the front. Okay, now take this red piece. Put that there. No, that. Oh no, that's this piece. Okay. Then we'll put two these on that side and one on this side. And that goes like that, right? No, it's got to go more forward. Okay. All right, well, I'm struggling to understand the placement of this piece. Well, for one, I got the wrong. I think I got the wrong side. Because it's saying that this side goes here, but I'm trying to. Okay, so it's this part right there that I'm trying to do. So that's got to go on there like that then, because it lines up with this right here. So okay, and then we gotta just make the other side. See. So I need this one. I need one there. And I need two back there and this one. All right, there we go. I think. But oh, I see what I did. I put that on the wrong side. There we go. It goes on that side. Yeah. Okay. Then we take this piece, which is kind of flat, and put it next to it. And then put these two pieces in here. Okay, so then we'll add one more piece. To that. Okay. And then we take our yellow and we'll add 3 to that plus this. And then that goes on here. Yeah, because that goes toward the back. Okay. I've just got to reverse engineer this one. That goes there. Okay, then take a bunch more of these. Put them on the side with one of these here. Okay. And then we'll take our smooth plates, put them in the middle here. Okay, so 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Looks like put another one there. One here. And then one back here, one back here. Little gray tile, and one of these, and then one of these. Okay. So then looks like you add one of those pieces there. And then one of these. Okay, so it kind of creates that little corner. Okay. Then that. Then that. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I need to I need to add this little pie shape in here. So there's two of those, and two of those. Okay. Take our gray square, put it there, put this here, and then we'll put, whoops, put that one there. This one goes over here. And then these little pies go behind it. All right. And there we go. That is pack 13. So now we got a nice looking front to the car. Even though it does got a lot of fingerprints on it, but you know, kind of happens with smooth pieces. All right, and then we'll get a little spare bag open here too. Okay, so 14. Okay, so now we gotta put these parts on the top for all our little bat labels. Okay, so now I just gotta figure out where all our bat labels go. So the first one is bat scanner. And then the second one is start button. And then we got bat ram. And then we have detectoscope. There we go. So then we just got 2 left over, but those probably will come later. Because they're for the top part up here. Alright, so we need this. Piece to go there. And this piece goes over here. And then okay, then okay, so then we want that. A little piece. And then well, I guess that does kind of hang over it. Well, yeah, okay, well, that's fine. Yeah. Okay, so then there. Here we go. All right. Okay, so then So then this goes there, but I need one of these. Sorry about that. I just had something to do for a second. Oh, these look like the little door locks or something. That's what we're kind of creating. So kind of goes on there like that. Where's my other plate? I should. Oh, I see what I did. I put the wrong connecting plate piece on. So then that goes on that side. Yeah, so that side goes, yeah, that way. Yeah. And then the other side, yeah, the other side goes this way. Yeah. Yeah. So that's that way for that one. Oh, shoot. No, okay, hold on a second. So I'm getting myself confused here. So this one, yeah, that one goes that way. But this one is supposed to be the other way. Yeah, shoot. I put this one on backwards. Well, I can just simply just flip this tile over. And now it's the right way. There we go. Yeah. Problem solved. So that goes there. And I need this guy and then these two. And that goes there. Okay. And then this goes here. Oh, hang on. I gotta add a piece to it and then put it on. There. Okay. And then I gotta do the same for the other side. Let's see, let's start back here. Because we're skipping 2 holes a piece going along here. Okay, so there's that. Now I gotta fill in those 2 holes with more of these little tilting things. Oh, we're making this wing. That's what we're making the bracket for the wings. Okay, so there's that side. So we got that side all nice and done. There's my bracket. Okay. Now we just got to use some plates back here. And a little bit more to that. Okay. I'm just going to slide this out of the way for the moment. Huh. I don't know if that's supposed to have that gap in it or not, maybe. No, maybe it is. Yeah, I guess it kind of does have a gap in it. The pieces aren't exactly, made to go exactly together there. Okay. And there's our bat trunk lid. All nice and uniformed. So there's our bat trunk. And then there's what it looks like now from the back. Pretty cool. All right, now our last bag for this pack. And then we got these like cute little brown paper bags, and they had the bat glass in it. And I wrote the little beat, the little initials on the bag, just so I knew which one was which, because you had to open them in order to figure out which one was which. All right. So, okay, so we're taking our little compass, and if I can find the little black thing. Put that on there, and then put a little glass over it. So now we got a little bat compass. That sits right there. Those two little parts go there. Now again, you could have just used one solid, ramp piece instead of two individuals. It would have looked, to me, it would have looked cleaner. Alright. I'm looking for there it is. I need this. And then that fits on here. So there's our bat scope, or detective scope. That's our detective scope. Okay, now, all right, so now we got to start doing these parts. So this goes right there. And this one goes right here. There. All right, then we need this piece here. That piece there. Need the small one, then the large one, then that. Okay, there we go. Now we got our iconic window frames, or at least the start of them. Oh. That actually goes there. I put it on the back by accident. Alright, then need these two things. Oh, can't forget to put my little ramps on here. Okay, so I need to double this up. And then this goes on the front. Oh, and then we're making the back piece. Goes there. Okay. Okay, and then there we go. And then put that piece there. That piece there. Oh, need to add actually a piece. No, I think that one was fine. It was just that back one. Alright, so now okay, so that goes on there like that. Oops. Need this. Okay. Oh, I think I needed to put these back here. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. We put these two together. Yeah, like that. And then this goes like that. And this goes like this. And then this whole thing pops down like that. Sorry about that. So now we put our back glasses in. Alright, then we need that little piece there. A little piece there. And this hinges in here. That goes in there. The light goes there. And we are done with pack 15 or bag 15. So there's our iconic 66 Batmobile. We got 2 stages left, but that'll be one more video. So hope you enjoyed that, and join me next time in the Bat Cave when we finish it. Adios.